Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to review this Gemlucy. I'm assuming that's how it's said. I'm not entirely sure, but it's a wireless CarPlay adapter. My car does not have the wireless CarPlay capabilities. It's more of a direct wire plug into your phone Apple CarPlay. So I'd like to try this version so I don't have to deal with plugging in my phone all the time and taking out my phone, because I don't need it when I'm driving. So my initial thoughts already, it's very small, so I like that. That way it's not going to take up too much time or too much space in my car. And even opening it now, it is extremely small here. Just to give a size comparison, this is my iPhone 13 Plus, and it's pretty, I mean, it's compact. That's what you need, right? So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. This little play icon will illuminate, and my car has detected Apple CarPlay. You'll have to go through your screen settings that way. However you do, I have a quick little shortcut in my car, and it's gonna show me this screen. So I'm gonna take out my phone, go to my settings, and this may look different for you, but I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth settings, and I'm going to select Smart Dongle CFB2, and I'm gonna pair it. You can have it pair your contacts if you want. And now Apple CarPlay is wireless. As you can see, my phone is not plugged into anything, and the screen, virtually no delay, which is nice. I can select my music. It plays it easy. Pause. Slight delay there. Let's try that again. Let's see. So there's a slight delay with the music, which is fine. And same with clicking next. So thanks for tuning in on my quick little review of the Gemlucy. I'm still not sure if how to pronounce this. Gemlucy wireless CarPlay adapter. Tune in a few weeks where I'm gonna do the pros and cons of this device. And if you would like to purchase this, I will leave the link in the description. But until next time, thanks for tuning in.